back to Learning with Mrs. A Love. On today's episode, I have both babies, Amari. Amari, say hi. And I have Aubrey, who I was able to put to sleep while I was making this video. So if you're interested to see how I got this look with these two, keep on watching. I'm going to start off with my True Match Luminous. Yeah.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time.
What can I help you with? So we're going to keep this really simple today. You can help that. We are just going to do foundation. Huh? We're going to definitely do our brows. So I have this clear brow gel. It used to be clear, now it's like a little bit of color to it.
Oh, you miss my touching, good girl.
What's yeah. And then while that's drying, I'm going to do my lips.
Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way,
Can I use it first?
dancing all night long.
And then I'm just going to go in with this shade.
Riding with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now.
Cover up my whole
I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet, you don't need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Got this sweet talk, sweet
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna